You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals negative 31 over 36. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 20 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by negative 36. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. And so the final result is x equals negative 31 over 36.